Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? The stars above, seemingly still, are in constant motion. With a long exposure, we can capture their dance across the cosmos, revealing stunning star trails. These streaks of light, each a testament to Earth's rotation, offer a glimpse into the vastness of space. Astrophotography, once the domain of professionals, is now accessible to everyone. You don't need expensive equipment to capture the beauty of the cosmos. A DIY star tracker, built with simple materials, can unlock the secrets of the night sky. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the universe from our own backyards. Commercial star trackers, while effective, can be quite expensive. They often come with features that, while useful, might be beyond the needs of a beginner astrophotographer. Building your own star tracker gives you control over the design and functionality, allowing you to tailor it to your specific requirements. More importantly, there's an immense satisfaction that comes from creating something yourself. The process of transforming simple materials into a tool that unveils the wonders of the universe is deeply rewarding. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our innate desire to explore the cosmos. So if you're ready to embark on this fulfilling journey, let's gather the tools and materials needed to build your very own star tracker. Get ready to experience the cosmos like never before. Before we embark on our construction journey, it's crucial to gather all the necessary tools and materials. This preparation phase is essential to ensure that our project runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's gather the essential components for our star tracker. Each item on this list plays a vital role in the construction and functionality of our device. These materials are readily available online or at your local hardware store. Whether you prefer the convenience of online shopping or the tactile experience of browsing through a physical store, you can easily find what you need. Materials list. First, we have the stepper motor. This is a crucial component that will drive the movement of our star tracker. Stepper motor. Link to purchase a NEMA 17 stepper motor. The NEMA 17 stepper motor is a popular choice due to its precision and reliability. Next, we need an Arduino board. This microcontroller will serve as the brain of our star tracker, processing inputs and controlling outputs. Arduino board. Link to purchase an Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is a versatile and user-friendly option, perfect for both beginners and experienced makers. Another essential component is the real-time clock module, RTC. This module keeps track of the current time, which is crucial for accurate star tracking. Real-time clock module, RTC. Link to purchase DS3231 RTC module. The DS3231 RTC module is known for its high accuracy and ease of use. To power our star tracker, we'll need a battery pack. A reliable power source ensures that our device operates smoothly without interruptions. Battery pack. Link to purchase a 12-volt battery pack. A 12-volt battery pack is a suitable choice, providing ample power for our needs. For mounting our star tracker, a ball head mount is essential. This allows for easy adjustments and precise positioning. Ball head mount. Link to purchase a standard ball head mount. A standard ball head mount offers flexibility and stability. We'll also need a threaded rod and nuts. These components are used to create the mechanical structure of our star tracker. Threaded rod and nuts. Specify size, for example, M8 or 1/4 inch. Link to purchase threaded rod. Make sure to choose the appropriate size, such as M8 or 1/4 inch, to ensure compatibility with other parts. For the base and other structural elements, we'll need plywood or acrylic sheet. These materials are sturdy and easy to work with. Plywood or acrylic sheet, specify thickness e.g. 1/2 inch. Choose a thickness of around 1/2 inch for optimal strength and durability. Screws and washers are also necessary for assembling the various components. Having an assortment of sizes will be helpful. Screws and washers, assorted sizes. Make sure to have a variety of sizes on hand to accommodate different parts of the project. Wires and connectors are essential for making electrical connections between components. Proper wiring ensures that our star tracker functions correctly. Wires and connectors, for electronics. Use high-quality wires and connectors to avoid any electrical issues. Tools of the trade. First on the list is a screwdriver. This basic tool is indispensable for assembling components. Screwdriver, for assembling components. Make sure to have both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers for versatility. A soldering iron and solder are necessary for making secure electrical connections. Soldering is a skill that may take some practice, but it's essential for this project. Soldering iron and solder, for electronics connections. Ensure you have a good quality soldering iron and lead-free solder for safety. A drill and drill bits are required for creating holes in the plywood or acrylic sheets. This will allow us to mount various components securely. Drill and drill bits for creating holes. Choose drill bits that are appropriate for the materials you're working with. A saw is needed for cutting the plywood or acrylic sheets to the desired dimensions. Precision in cutting will ensure that all parts fit together perfectly. Saw for cutting plywood or acrylic. A fine-toothed saw is recommended for cleaner cuts. Sandpaper is used for smoothing the edges of the cut materials. This step is important for both safety and aesthetics. Sandpaper for smoothing edges. Use a range of grits, starting with coarse and finishing with fine, for the best results. A level is essential for ensuring that all components are properly aligned. This will help in achieving accurate star tracking. Level for ensuring proper alignment. A small portable level is sufficient for this project. These materials and tools form the foundation of our star tracker. With everything gathered and organized, we're ready to start building. By transforming these simple components into a sophisticated device, we open a window to the cosmos, allowing us to explore the night sky with precision and wonder. Section 4. Safety first. A cosmic responsibility. Before we begin our celestial construction, it's paramount to prioritize safety. The vastness of space and the intricacies of our projects demand that we take every precaution to protect ourselves and those around us. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner, understanding and implementing safety measures is crucial. Working with tools and electronics always requires caution. The tools we use can be incredibly powerful and, if not handled correctly, can cause serious injuries. It's not just about knowing how to use the tools, but also about understanding the potential risks involved. Here are some safety tips to keep in mind. First, always have a checklist. This ensures you don't forget any crucial steps or equipment. A well-prepared workspace is a safe workspace. Always wear safety glasses when using power tools like drills or saws. Your eyes are incredibly vulnerable, and even a small piece of debris can cause significant damage. Safety glasses are a simple yet effective way to protect your vision. Flying debris can cause serious eye injuries. This is why it's essential to always wear your safety glasses, even if you're just making a quick cut or drill. Wear gloves when handling sharp objects like screws, saw blades, or sheet materials. Gloves provide an extra layer of protection against cuts and punctures, which can easily occur when working with these materials. When soldering, ensure proper ventilation to avoid inhaling fumes. Soldering can release harmful fumes that are dangerous to inhale. Always work in a well-ventilated area, or use a fume extractor to keep the air clean. Use a soldering iron stand and let the iron cool completely before storing it. A hot soldering iron can cause burns or start a fire if not handled properly. Always make sure it's cool before putting it away. When working with electronics, always disconnect power sources before making any connections. This simple step can prevent electrical shocks and damage to your components. Ensure wires are properly insulated to prevent shocks. Exposed wires can be extremely dangerous, leading to electrical shocks or short circuits. Always check your wires and use electrical tape to cover any exposed areas. By adhering to these safety precautions, we can ensure that our exploration of the cosmos is both enjoyable and risk-free. Safety is not just a set of rules, but a mindset that allows us to work confidently and creatively. Remember, safety always comes first. Whether you're building a telescope, a satellite, or just stargazing, keeping safety at the forefront ensures that our cosmic adventures are as thrilling as they are safe. Section 5. Building the tracker, laying the foundation. With our materials assembled and safety precautions in place, let's begin constructing the foundation of our star tracker, the base. This is the most crucial part of our project, as it will provide the necessary support and stability for all the components that follow. Ensuring a solid foundation is key to the success of our astrophotography endeavors. This platform will house the electronics and provide stability for our astrophotography endeavors. The base needs to be robust enough to handle the weight of the equipment and withstand any environmental factors, such as wind or uneven ground. Using a saw, carefully cut the plywood or acrylic sheet to your desired dimensions for the base. Precision is important here, as any uneven cuts can affect the stability of the entire setup. Take your time to measure twice and cut once. A larger base provides more stability. The size of the base will depend on the size of your equipment, but generally, a larger base will offer better support and reduce vibrations, which is crucial for clear astrophotography. Sand down the edges to ensure they are smooth and free of splinters. This step is not just about aesthetics. Smooth edges will prevent any accidental injuries and make handling the base more comfortable. Position the stepper motor securely on the base. The stepper motor is a critical component that will drive the movement of the tracker, so it needs to be mounted firmly to avoid any wobbling or misalignment. Use screws and nuts to firmly attach it. Make sure to use washers to distribute the pressure evenly and prevent the screws from loosening over time. Tighten the screws just enough to hold the motor securely without damaging the base material. Ensure the motor shaft is positioned to allow for smooth rotation. The alignment of the motor shaft is crucial for the accurate tracking of celestial objects. Any misalignment can result in jerky movements and blurred images. Mount the ball head mount to the threaded rod. The ball head mount will allow you to adjust the angle of your camera easily, providing flexibility in capturing different parts of the sky. This will serve as the platform for your camera. Make sure the ball head mount is compatible with your camera and can support its weight without any issues. Secure it tightly using nuts. Double-check that all connections are firm and there is no play in the mount, as any looseness can affect the stability and accuracy of your shots. Attach the threaded rod with the ball head mount to the stepper motor shaft. This connection is vital for the smooth operation of the tracker, so ensure it is secure and aligned properly. Use a coupling or adapter if necessary to ensure a secure connection. The coupling will help in reducing any misalignment and ensure that the motor's movements are accurately transferred to the camera platform. Our base is now complete. Take a moment to admire your work and ensure everything is securely in place. This sturdy foundation will support all the intricate components of your star tracker. It's a testament to the power of simple mechanics, ready to support our journey into the cosmos. With a solid base, we can now move on to the next steps, confident that our foundation will keep everything steady and aligned as we capture the wonders of the night sky.